Howdy folks, George Shively from South Shore Marine Electronics again with you. We are at Bay Point up in the Marblehead area on a 1997 40 Tiara. And many of you who have Tiaras, of course, are familiar with this helm layout. We are going to be really making this look a whole lot more modern than it does now. The owner does not feel the need for the radar, so we are going to be removing the radar, which is a good radar actually. I mean, good Furuno radar. The GPS 210 will be going. The mount and the 12-volt outlet below that will be put in another place so it looks nicer. We're going to keep the Ray Pilot 650 at the lower left. We're also going to keep the Tri-Data, and we will be replacing the M127 ICOM simply because the display is shot, as you can see, and doesn't work too well. So anyway, that's kind of the way things look right now. We're also going to do some cleaning up of the wiring behind the helm, but want to have you get a first look here so that you know what things look like prior to our starting our magic. So again, 1997 40 Tiara. We're going to be putting fascia panels over both the upper and lower areas, and then recutting in the new equipment, which will be a Garmin system, Garmin 7612 XSV with the built-in sounder. So it's going to look nice, work real well. We're going to also be replacing the VHF radio with a standard Horizon that has a built-in GPS as well, so that'll work real nice. So I just want to give you a heads up. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. Alrighty folks, back on the Tiara with you here. I want to show you what the helm looks like here as we get busy making some modifications. As you can see, we've made the hole larger, kind of combined the hole where the Garmin was and the Furuno radar, and that's where the new Garmin MFD is going to be sitting. I want to show you something else here that we do that's kind of very important, maybe taken for granted, but if you notice all of the holes in center screen there, they're all countersunk as we go around the edge of the new plate that's going to be going on there. That's very important because what will happen is the surface tension of the gel coat can only take so much, and if we put a screw in there without countersinking the hole, it's very likely that in the next year, year and a half, 2 years, you're going to get spider cracks as a result of that. And we certainly don't want that on the face of the helm. So just a little thing that we do to make sure that it not only looks good from the get-go, but down the road too. So just want to give you a quick look here. We're going to be installing the lower panel after, but want to give you an interim look here at how this looks for now. Okay, stand by. Howdy folks, back on the 41 Tiara. As you can see, the radar antenna is still atop the arch, and over on the port side you'll see the old Garmin GPS antenna, and close to that is the old mount for a TV antenna which used to be there, and that's going to be removed, so we clean up the top of the arch. So just kind of showing you what it looks like for the moment. Most of that, with the exception of the nav light and the AM/FM antenna, is going to be removed, and we'll clean up the top of the arch, make it look real sharp. Stand by. Howdy folks, last shot here at the 41 Tiara. As you can see, everything is off the top of the arch. We have cover plates on top of the arch where the GPS antenna and radar are going. The radar antenna cover plate is most likely temporary because the owner has expressed an interest in replacing the radar this off season. So that's how that looks, nice and clean. No jitty moss. That old bracket for the old TV antenna is gone. So the top of the arch is nice and clean. Let's go downstairs here real quick and we'll take a last look at the inside. And here we are. Again, just nice and clean. We decided to put the auto helm Tri-Data over on the port side because it's really a redundant instrument at this point, and move the autopilot into the center. New standard Horizon Explorer VHF radio that has GPS built in. The MMSI for the owner has been programmed. And of course the new Garmin 7612 XSV that now gives the owner the ability to have a fish finder, which you did not have before, and of course Garmin's famous ease of use. So that's how it looks. Appreciate you taking a look at the video, and if you have any questions, give us a call, 216-407-6553. And this is George at South Shore Marine Electronics. You can also reach us by email at southshoremarineelectronics@oh.rr.com. Thanks for watching.